can see how collapsed this is. So I'm going to swap out that bolster, the seat foam underneath that. I'm going to be pulling this seat bottom section because my side seat bolsters on the bottom are worn out. So first, pull the screw that holds these two together, push this tab around, or tab in, and then there's these clips on the side in here, and then you just pull it out from the upholstery it's jammed in that little edge. It's jammed into that rail. The other one, you need to remove this handle for the back adjustment and the knob for the back, for the bottom adjustment and the knob for the back adjustment. Then with that off, you can see the fabric's tucked into a rail here. Literally just, let's see better on this side. This lip is just a plastic piece that's tucked into a channel. And there's one in the back. This one's folded over once before it gets tucked in. So there's your seat. Now most upholstery is hog ringed on. This is not actually hog ring on. Has metal rods. What we need to do is push the rod until we can get it. See, this one's disconnected. It's hooked around that bar at the bottom. And you can push the bar backwards and get it hooked off of this bar here. And then once you do that, the middle bar is connected here. So here, one rod on each side, 3 through the center, and there you can see this one has some slight damage. Throw some glue and glue that together. It's a lot better than the other one with no bolster. Glued seams, repaired with 3M spray adhesive. Here's the other bolster. As you can see, it's very shot. Now the hard part, installation, which is obviously the reverse of removal. As you can see, this actually is a heated section. These two side bolster heated sections will need to be glued back down. I'm just doing these hog ring rods back in here, and it occurs to me that when I bought these seats, someone told me the story about how Volkswagen seats catch fire. If you look at this heating pad and the way it accordions up, probably from people sitting in the seat, sliding into the seat over time, you can see all the heating elements gather together. And I would imagine that's the cause of the seat fires right there. And all these coils gather together, creates a lot of extra heat. So I'm actually going to adhere this flat with some spray adhesive so I can't feel it bunching up, and who knows, maybe it'll still work. Now I just have left this last rod, hooking it onto that rod down in there, and then all the hog rings will be back on. You can see the seat already has its form.